everybody. Are you ready to learn AI and start making money online? Come and join Coach VIP AI Academy.
Good day everyone, I'm Coach VIP. In today's tutorial, you will be learning how to create adorable AI baby videos for free. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to generate AI baby videos in just 10 seconds using simple tools anyone can use. No experience needed, just follow along and start creating viral AI baby videos instantly.
Today's tutorial will be learning how to create AI baby videos. So all you need is to go to your ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. We're using just only 2 apps. So you go to your ChatGPT to generate the prompt of what you want the baby to say, how you want the baby to look like. So we'll come to ChatGPT. We ask ChatGPT, create me an AI realistic, you can say realistic baby video talking about Code VIP AI Academy. You can say ChatGPT already know more about me. That's why I have to make it short. So in your own, you describe ChatGPT, you describe what you want to. Let his outfit contain the logo of Coach VIP AI Academy. Make the baby toast. So you have to wait for the prompt to be generated. You have to say create a realistic AI baby video. The baby should be about 2 to 3 years old, cute, confident, and expressive. The baby is studied in the middle of a busy African market sense. Realistic Nigeria open market environment. There are traders, colorful umbrellas, fruits, clothes, people walking around, and natural daylight. The baby is wearing a clean white branded t-shirt with the bold logo text Coach VIP AI Academy. Under it, home of AI video editing and online skills. The logo should be clear, sharp, and centered on the shirt. The baby is studying the confidence slightly raised above others, like a small wooden. You can see this is the prompt. So this is the prompt we need to create the baby video, how we want the baby to look like, and what we want the baby to say. So we are going straight to copy the prompt. So you go straight to copy the prompt. You can see you go straight to copy the prompt. Okay, you can see there are different steps. So all we did that, you can see just tell. So we tell ChatGPT create it for already copy and paste prompt. So all you need now is to select all. So you remove here, remove. So you copy the prompt. After copying the prompt, then you have to come to your Google or your Chrome browser and type Google Flow. So you type Google Flow. You can see this Google Flow. Here is the Google Flow. All you need to click on create with flow. So you click on new project. You see I already have Gmail, so if you don't have, you have to continue with Google. So you click on new project. You come to this setting to type generate a video with text. So you copy the text, the prompt size GPT gives you. So you copy the text here. You can see there is the text. So make sure you watch the video thoroughly and carefully. So you click on video. For you not to make mistake, click on video, not image. In this setting, you click on video, not image. So you click on this video. So you make sure all these things are correct. You can see this dashboard. Make sure you set it correct. You click on it. Yeah, it's portrait depending. If you want to use it for YouTube videos, for editing, for teaching, you have to put it on landscape. But now we are using portrait. That's it. You make it on one output. Make it on one output. Leave it on one output and be very fast. Just leave it this way. So now all we need now is to create this place here. To create. Now see the video is loading, so I will pause it. After the video loads successfully, I'll have to continue. Hello guys, so you can see this is the video. The video is fully ready. You can see this is the video is fully ready with capture. So let's play what you get. This is the video and it's fully ready. So you click on here.
Hello everybody. Are you ready to learn AI and start making money online? Come and join Coach VIP AI Academy. This is the Hello everybody. Are you ready to learn AI and start making money online? Come and join Coach VIP.
So you want to make sure your sense, because this AI tools will give you only 8 seconds sense. So if your sense, your prompt is not correct, then you have to come down there to generate again. You have to claim from here the sense stop. But we'll be using this one as an example because this is not all the prompts it was asked to generate. So if you know you are coming across this video for the first time, kindly like, share and subscribe. If you want to see you click on here. You just tap the screen.
Hello everybody. Are you ready?
So you click on this place. Click on here. To save. You click on original size.